Hello viewers, the SPYDER is a low-level quick-reaction surface-to-air missile system capable of engaging aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, and precision-guided munitions. It provides air defense for fixed assets and for point and area defense for mobile forces in combat areas. The system is fitted atop a Tetra truck, a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck, a MAN TGS truck, Scania P series truck, Dongfeng truck, and a Tilar. The Spider launcher is designed to fire Python 5 and Derby surface-to-air missiles, which share full commonality with air-to-air missiles. There are two variants of Spider: the Spider SR short range and the Spider MR medium range. Both systems are quick reaction, all-weather, network-centric multi-launchers and self-propelled. A typical battery consists of one command and control unit, six missile firing units, and a resupply vehicle. Current operators of Spider missile systems include India and Singapore. There are reports that claim that Georgia operated the Spider short-range version during the 2008 Russo-Georgian War, but these allegations and assumptions have never been verified. The Short-Range Air Defense System SPYDER (SR) has a short range of interception. The maximum altitude of interception is 9 km and maximum range of interception is 15 km. The SPYDER MR medium range has a greater operation range of 35 km and an altitude engagement of 16 km due to the missiles being equipped with boosters. Python 5 is currently the most capable air-to-air missile in Israel's inventory and one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles in the world. As a beyond visual range, it is capable of lock-on after launch and has all aspect, all direction, including rearward attack ability. The missile features an advanced electro-optical infrared homing with imaging infrared seeker, which scans the target area for hostile aircraft and locks on for terminal chase. The Derby is an active radar homing air-to-air missile that provides the Spider missile system with a fire and forget option due to its active radar guidance. Both missiles have Mach 4 speed. In 2006, India planned to acquire 18 Spider medium-range systems at a cost of $395 million for its air force. The, the Jerusalem Post contradicts these figures and mentions a price of $1 billion for the purchase of surface-to-air missiles. The Spider systems were delivered starting 2012. 18 Spider medium-range systems, along with 750 Python 5 surface-to-air missiles and 750 Derby surface-to-air missiles, has been delivered. That's all for today. I will be back with another interesting video. Take care. Bye.